Turkey's foreign policy of zero problems with neighbors seems to be fading away. Observers believe that the policy drawn up by Foreign Minister Ahmet Davutoglu is changing because of Ankara's stance on Syria.
Özellikle Suriye ile Türkiye.
Bilateral relations between Ankara and Damascus underwent a radical change after the unrest began in Syria. Turkey, once a close ally of its Arab neighbor, chose to side with the insurgents fighting the Syrian government. What if things remain as they are? The unrest in Syria is threatening Turkey's security, but the country does not need this as it's already struggling with its own security problems.
Other analysts are accusing the Turkish government of seeking geopolitical change in the region.
I don't agree with Turkey's position, especially their foreign policy positions. I'm actually critical of them because I think Turkey should have helped Syria to make the reforms and change with ease. However, they didn't do that because they wanted a region change since the very beginning.
Turkey is also suffering from the economic implications of its decision to side with the insurgents. The unrest in Syria has affected trade between the two countries. The Turkish border of Antakya in the Hatay province used to see 30 to 40 busloads a day of supplies and goods traded between the two countries. But today shop owners say business has plunged by 70%. Instability in Syria has already begun to intensely affect the amount of overland trade between Turkey and its eastern neighbors. And this is likely to have a major negative impact on the booming economic relationship Turkey has cultivated with its neighbors. Serena Shim, Press TV, Istanbul.